Hey guys, quiet.
Seriously, people just need to shut up.
I hope Dustin plays that.
Good morning, LHS. Today is Wednesday, March 20th. I'm Lydia.
And I'm Bay.
And these are your morning announcements. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Seniors, Jocelyn will deliver your cap and gown and graduation announcement products this Friday during the lunch periods in the cafeteria. If you owe any money, an invoice has been mailed to your home with payment instructions. All seniors should stop at the Jocelyn's table during lunch.
There is an ACT prep course being offered on March 25th and April 8th from 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. in the Little Theater. Cost is $100. See Mrs. Leifer for a fee voucher if you are on a free or reduced lunch. Sign up by calling 614-834-8886.
Seniors, please note that the deadline for the receipt of Fairfield County Foundation scholarship applications is April 1st. This is over spring break. If you need your transcript from your counselor, transcript request must be in by March 25th so you can meet the deadline.
And seniors, here is another announcement for you. Goodrich will be here next Wednesday, that's March 27th, during activity period for the senior big picture and to take yearbook headshots if you have not already had your picture taken. So not a good day to miss. Make sure you are here for the class of 2013 photo.
The Drowsy Chaperone will be performed this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday in the LHS auditorium at 7:30 p.m. All tickets are general admission and cost is $8. Student tickets are $5 for the student section and are on sale during all lunch periods. Come and see the spring musical.
The last day to order this year's yearbook for the pre-sale price of $60 is March 31st. Starting April 1st, the price goes up to the regular cost of $70. Order your yearbook today at smartpay.com. See Mrs. Wanger or a yearbook staff member if you have any questions.
Next week, we will be having Bullying Awareness Week. There's going to be activities all week long. During lunch, Skills USA officers will be in the GAC selling orange bracelets for $1. Students will have the opportunity to write on a 4x4 square fabric about anti-bullying. Then the officers will turn the squares into a quilt to be placed in the high school. If you would like to donate fabric and sheets for the quilt, please see a Skills USA officer. There's also going to be an assembly with an important information about anti-bullying.
And here is today's lunch menu. Gales Line foot-long hot dog or sloppy joes with California blend veggies.
Gold Line popcorn chicken stir fry with fortune cookie, rice, and California blend veggies.
Blue Line personal pepperoni or cheese pizza with California blend veggies.
Ham and turkey chef salad, chicken salad, croissant sandwich.
Are you recording?
No.
We'll record. He does that with his...
You can't do that.
Stay classy.
You gotta do the blink.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Wait, can we both do it at the same time?
Have a good day, guys.
Stay classy, LHS.